Alright, so I just wanted to make a quick video. Obviously on the Z125 Pro, you have this which connects, and then you have a little sliding pin that clips into spot to keep the chain on. You just hit this with a flathead screwdriver and it will remove the clip, allowing you to access the chain. And a lot of people want to take the front sprocket cover off and remove the peg, but I'm gonna show you just a little quick way to feed the chain. I did buy a 120 link chain. The Z's take 100 links. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed it through without moving the sprocket casing or anything. We'll just go ahead and feed the new gold chain through. And once we get it to that spot, now we can remove the old chain and take off 20 links of this, scoot the wheel forward, and then re-clip this using the clip. Always make sure that the clip is going the direction that the package tells you to put it on. I do believe that it is the opposite way, as you can see on that box. So the open end clip needs to face towards the back of the bike, and the closed end needs to be on the front. So just wanted to make that quick little video so you don't have to go through all of the trouble of removing the front sprocket cover and removing the rear set. You can just feed the chain through using the old one, and it works perfectly. Thanks guys, have a good day.